Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet my name Muhammad Taufikurrohman. In this video, I will be doing final semester exams. The course is professional English that is promoting my own homemade product. In this last text video, I will promote my own product, namely cup screen printing service. Screen printing on glass is useful for branding on an effort. Businesses that as the surface of glass screen vary, such as coffee shop. Coffee cups are hot and cold. Milkshake. Boba. Oh, very big. Juice. Thai tea. And other pledge the request branding on his business. Because in the sales process is more effective and efficient. One example is the case. One coffee shop uses assigment glass screen printing. Then he will benefit a wide variety. First, the advantages of branding on a coffee shop. What advantages on finance where the coffee shop does not spend excessive money for employee in washing glasses. The last advantages is ineffective serving where there is no process of stacking dirty glass and a very easy serving process. Although displaces glass, there are many components that can rest process. And in my pledge, namely button many factory that have reprocessed product made of plastic to be environmentally friendly. Differences of our product with other product on the quality of glass mold. Things glasses, the shape of the variant, maximum surface, and the last free shipping. The quality of glass mold become the main thing in the sales of plastic cup. Because with the order of plastic cup molds, cup become more aesthetic, not to forget the thin glass. That makes the glass not easily thrown the variant from. Where many variant make people not bored. Service is also our main feature. Less is shipping the facility customer in the sales process. Many advantages that you get from our product. Reason for branding. Glass mold quality. Glass thickness. Good surface. Innovation that continue to grow on glass. And less free shipping. Still doubtful about our product?